Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix Crunchyroll not playing videos. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now if you want to fix Crunchyroll is not playing videos on your device, how to do that? The very first thing you need to check is that you're connected to a secure Wi-Fi connection, because the majority of the time the problem is with your own Wi-Fi problem. So make sure that you're connected to a secure one. After you've checked that, the very next thing you need to do is go on the Crunchyroll, hold on it, and go in the I button or simply the app information. You can also go in the app information by going in the settings and go in the apps, click on manage apps, and from there go in the Crunchyroll. The same interface will appear, click on storage, and at the bottom click on clear data, click on OK. After doing that, clear the cache memory, go to the home screen and look for update on the Google Play Store or App Store. Search for Crunchyroll and make sure that it is updated. If not, just update it first, and that should definitely fix the problem. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.